Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can delete account in MyEtherWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to do so, all you need to do is simply tap open your MyEtherWallet app from your home screen. So once you open it, to get access to your account, you need to type in the PIN code of your account. So after you do so, all you need to do is simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can find the settings and support. Simply tap on it and hit on the settings option. Once you do so, you can find the reset wallet option. Tap on it and tap on reset wallet. Once you do so, if you are not trying to recover your account from using any of the backup codes, or you have not backed up, your account is completely deleted from MyEtherWallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.